Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss some JEE problems that are quadratic equations. We are given a and b are two distinct real numbers satisfying a square minus 5a plus 2 equal to 0 and b square minus 5b plus 2 equal to 0. Then find the value of 1 minus ab plus a square b plus ab square. From here, we have seen that these and these both equations are same, only variable are different. So we can say A and B are the roots of equation x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0, which is known as the quadratic equations, and a and b are the roots. Therefore, we get a plus b is equal to minus b by a, that means 5, and ab is equal to c by a, means we get 2. Now we are finding value of 1 minus ab plus a square b plus ab square. We can write this equal 1 minus ab, taking ab common, we get a plus b. Now putting the values of a plus b and ab, then we get 1 minus ab equal to 2 plus ab equal to 2 and a plus b equal to 5. So we get 1 minus 2 plus 10 is equal to 9. That is the value of the expression 1 minus ab plus a square b plus ab square. Next, we are going to discuss another very important questions of the same chapters. Question is given: if the equation x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0 and x square plus ax plus b equal to 0 have a common roots, find values of a and b. That means both equations have a one common root. First we have to set, that is the equation x square minus 4x plus 5. Now we are finding discriminant, that is d. D is equal to, we know, b square minus 4ac. From here b is equal to minus 4, therefore square minus 4a means 1, c means 5. This equal to, we get 16 minus 20, this equal to minus 4, that means less than equal to 0. From here we conclude that this equation have a imaginary roots. That means roots are like this: a plus ib one root. Since it is in pair form, therefore another root is equal to a minus ib. So from here this equation we get, this equation have a imaginary roots. Imaginary roots always in pair forms. Therefore this equation and this equation have a common root. That means this equation has also a imaginary roots. So from here we conclude that the both equation has a same roots. That means two roots are same. That means both roots are same. Since this and this equation both roots are same, then we get, there is a one concept, that is concept is like this: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, dx square ex plus f equal to 0 has a both roots are common. Then we get a by d, b by e is equal to c by f, and that is the concept. Both roots are common, then we get this. From this concept, if we apply this concept in two equations, then we get 1 by 1, that is here is 1, here also 1, and is equal to minus 4 by A is equal to 5 by B. From here, from this and this, we get A is equal to minus 4, and from this and this, we get B equal to 5. Therefore, answer is A equal to minus 4 and B equal to 5. And that is a very important question from the JEE point of view. Now we are going to next questions. Next question is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x minus 3 equal to 0, then find the value of alpha cube minus 4 beta square plus 19. In this equation is given that alpha and beta are the roots, that is alpha and beta be the roots. Therefore, first we have get alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that means 1 by 1, that is we get 1. And alpha into beta, we get c by a, c is equal to minus 3, we get therefore minus 3. Again, we can say that alpha beta of the roots of this equation, that means alpha satisfies this equation, therefore we get alpha square plus alpha minus 3 equal to 0, and beta is the root, so beta satisfies this equation, then we get beta square plus beta minus 3 equal to 0. From here we get this implies we can write alpha square equal to 3 minus alpha. This implies beta square equal to, we can write 3 minus beta. Now we have to find alpha cube minus 4 beta square plus 90. Therefore, we write alpha cube minus 4 beta square plus 90 is equal to alpha into alpha square minus 4 beta square plus 90. This is equal to alpha square is equal to what? 3 minus alpha. 3 minus alpha minus 4 beta square is equal to what? 3 minus beta plus 19. Next, if we multiply this, we get thrice alpha minus alpha square minus 12 plus 4 beta plus 19. This equal to thrice alpha. Again we have to put alpha square is equal to what? 3 minus alpha. 3 minus alpha minus 12 plus 4 beta plus 19. This equal to, we get, this implies, no, this equal to, sorry, equal thrice alpha minus 3 plus alpha minus 12 plus 4 beta plus 19. This equal to this equal to, we get, taking 4 common, 4 alpha plus beta, and 12 15, therefore we get plus 4. This is equal to 4 into alpha plus beta is equal to what? Alpha plus beta is equal to, therefore 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to, sorry, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, so it is a minus 1. Remember it. Therefore we get minus 1 plus 4, this equal to we get 4 minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. That is the result. That is a very important questions. If the equation 4x square sin square theta minus 4 sin theta into x plus 1 equal to 0 and a square whole into b square minus c square x square plus b square c square minus a square into x plus c square a square minus b square is equal to 0. And two equations, that is equation 1, that is another, that is the second equation. Have a common root. A common root, that is a common root, and the second equation has equal roots. Second equation has a equal roots. Find the possible value of theta where theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. That means 0 to 90 degree. In between 0 to 90 degree. First, the concept is this. Concept ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then this equation has one root is always 1. One root equal to 1. That is a very important thing, very important concept. That is the coefficient of x square, b square and constant term. Sum of these three terms is equal to 0. Then this equation has a root is 1, always 1. Here this equation and this equation has a common roots. And second equation has a equal roots. But here from this equation we get, from this equation, second equation, we get the coefficient of x square, that is a square b square minus c square plus b square c square minus a square plus c square a square minus b square is equal to a square b square minus a square c square plus b square c square minus b square a square plus c square a square minus c square b square. Then a square b square cancel, b square c square b square cancel, this equal to this, then we get this equal to what? 0. So we can say that equation 1 has a equation, second equation has x equal to 1. Second equation 1 root equal to 1. Again it is said that the second equation has a common root. Second equation has equal root. That is a equal root. Therefore other root is equal to, therefore other root equal to what? 1. That means in the second equation has a two roots, both roots are equal. That is 1 and 1. So 1 root is the common of this equation, so 1 satisfies this equation. Therefore we get 4 into 1 square sin square theta minus 4 sin theta into 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1 by putting this. After calculation we get 4 sin square theta minus 4. This equal to, you can write twice sin theta minus 1 whole square, that is a square twice ab plus b square. This implies we get twice sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. This is equal to, we get, this implies sin theta equal to what? Half. This implies sin theta is equal to what? Sin pi by sin 30, that is pi by 6. Therefore, we get theta is equal to pi by 6, which is belongs to 0 to pi by 2. That is the result. That is a very important question from the JEE point of view. Today we are already discussed 4 very important questions which will become in JEE mains. Next class we are going to discuss the JEE previous year questions. Thank you.